Hey folks, guess what? We are, I'll say 99% done. That's just because of a cable that I have to hook together for the camera in the front. But let me take you on a tour on everything that we did here to transform this media ministry. All right, as we come into the entrance, we have a live feed coming from the ATEM Mini Extreme SDI ISO, long name. So anybody's out here, and actually I realized I didn't push that cable up. So one more thing I got to do. So what's that? 97% done. But this will show everything that's going on inside the sanctuary, the same thing that is going to the live stream. So once we come in here in the sanctuary and we turn around, we have our 75-inch screen right here, which is our confidence monitor here. We have a 30x PTZ camera there, and they did a great job of concealing up the drywall where we ran the cables in there. And if we turn around here, we have two 85-inch screen TVs that are connected to the ATEM Mini Extreme ISO SDI, long name, but they are routed directly to the output. Since it's 4 unique outputs, they're going directly from the Pro Presenter audience and routed directly here. So the main feed is going into here, and then it loops over into this other TV through the converters that are powered. So if one TV was on, that TV does not need to stay on, the converter is on, so we get a signal that way. Now, we also put some conduit up there that they're gonna seal that up and paint that, and I left plenty of it left over to cover some of the angles for them. We also, let me show you, we got the cables ran through the wall, and this is the 2 cables that is feeding from the front PTZ that I ran out of BNC SDI connectors that are actually going to be delivered later today, and it's down the street from here in the Amazon box. So on my way back tomorrow to train the ministry, that is when I'm going to come in, connect them, and then push everything up, and everything's in the wall. And the hole that we had to make, they're going to seal that up when they finish doing some more work here. We have one TV here. This is kind of like a waiting room pastor study type of thing, like for the guest ministers before they come out, and they can see what's going on here, what's going on as well too. There's our front PTZ. Like I said, that's the cable that is cut in half so that I can run it through the wall. Once we splice it together, we'll have a signal from there. And here, this room is not finished, but it's going to be done the same way. This is going to be an office, and we have another feed just like the entrance that shows everything here. As you see, these are how all the cables were, the same way. And just like that connector right there, that is what I ran out of, just the ends to terminate the cables, but I got a bunch of them coming in, like I said. Now, if we loop back over here, I'm being careful, I am in my socks because I don't want to track dust through here to finish cleaning. We come over here to our side PTZ as well too, that they did an excellent job sealing up the wall where we ran all the cables there. Gives us a unique angle. We can't cut but so far because of this pillar here, but very, very good angles here. So now let's head on upstairs to the booth, show them what they got up in here. T's doing some major work on here. We got the system here. We got the, oh, left it. ATEM Mini Extreme ISO SDI, all that stuff. Our multi-view, got the X32. We got another monitor that with the other connectors, that's what we're going to connect. Joystick, we have the main feed here. So all they have to do is flip that off to turn off all the video system stuff. And the TVs are good because one remote works on all of them. We can just stand up here and turn everything off. So, T, do you got anything?
Man, AJ did an excellent job. This is amazing. We're still working through it, muddling through. You know how AJ says takes everything step by step. So muddling through, but can't commend AJ enough. Thank you again.
Hey, well, thank you for trusting me to come all the way up. But all she knew was me was from off of YouTube, and they trust me to come up here. So I appreciate that. We are going to be doing some training tomorrow. I'm gonna be here to help them go through all the stuff for a service, and then kind of just show them the ropes of what we can do, and then help them develop their workflow so they will flourish with everything. And I'll I don't know if they'll get upset with this, because if you don't hear this, you know, it's been edited out, so I don't have to worry about it. But maybe we'll link to their services on here so y'all can check it out and see before and after. T's shaking her head.
You can go ahead.
Okay, cool. So y'all can see there. So again, hopefully this gives y'all an example of what y'all can do with y'all's ministry. It's not like it takes millions and millions of dollars to do it. So anyway, link is down below to everything we used on here. If you want any more information, you can hit me up at ajhomes.com/consultations. And that's about it. So if you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. It's AJ. Catch you on the next video. Later.